Chen. This is Chen, and I am your mentor teacher for your clinical practice with TeachNow and Field Education. As you know, last semester, Field Education and TeachNow have collaborated to offer your student teachers a chance to observe our courses, sub the teachers in shadow teacher in grading and teaching, and also hold live sessions. And we teachers provide support and do evaluations for you. First, let me introduce Field Education, the company, to you. This company is a for-profit company, but it caters mostly to public schools. There are three forms of classrooms. One is the blended classroom, where students study in the brick-and-mortar school, but they take our courses online. It's especially useful for world language courses because a lot of students don't have access to foreign language teachers in their location. And another way is called Virtual Academy. We set up these virtual schools in different locations where students attend our sessions. And we have mentors for them that the teachers teach them on a distant daily basis. The first kind of clients are the e-commerce students, where the parents enroll themselves in the course by themselves and pay for these courses. And this is kind of more free form. And they are found more on another platform called CAP. What you need to know is the form called it's called Brightspace. This is where you will be added the courses. First, let me application share the Brightspaces for you. Start sharing and share. Let me share the desktop. And this is your schedule, but let's first introduce you to the platform. This is the Field Education homepage, and you log in here to this page. And you will have your own login later. But first, you have your login for a course of the platform training. And these are some platforms you will see. And what you need to pay attention is to the Brightspace platform. It's an online platform that have different courses. I have several courses, and I think I will initiate you in some Washington courses and maybe some courses with more student enrollment so that you can work with student cohorts. And this is the course homepage. You can see the course announcement, and we have live session advertisements for the students. And this is my video on how to contact the teacher and get started. See, this is the video, and this is a welcome statement. Basically, this is what the student will see when they log into the course. This is a plan to let the students see the schedule of the live sessions in my Class Connect on my office hour. You will observe the live sessions in Class Connect first, and then you